Right, not a problem. Thank you.
I know. Yeah, it's not a regular horn.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
18 out over. Yeah, looks like you have a hose separation underneath the Harkness signal.
Yep.
Alright, hose separation underneath the signal, thanks.
Air hose separation down by the signal on Harkness Street.
303 reported a air hose separation around the Harkness signal. Car department's heading this way to assist the conductor.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
It's left. Huh? It's left. We won't want to head down there.
303, 25, 249.9, 250.0.
Is this the handbrake track?
Yep. No, what's that? There it is.
I gotta take the air away from 35.
Alright, we're
Cars I don't need, so if you want to, just leave the handbrakes on the head 3 and set them over, and then pull the track and set those 3 back over in 35.
I'll grab him right here. I'm almost there.
17K, you come off the Shopley Pocket, go Westlake, B4 and extension, talk to Ranger.
Alright, Westlake.
Doesn't go back into the yard anywhere. Wimpy horn. Yep, executive Mac right here. It's an annoying horn.
Is that thing green or black?
It's green and cream.
Yeah.
Remember we had a discussion about this?
I thought it was.
Because he said it was black.
I can hardly tell.
That's weird. Huh.
They must have a plan somewhere.
Must. That signal was approached there too as well. Because 25N is supposed to be coming behind 14T. But this guy's taking on both tracks right. Oh, yep, right there behind us. That's why it was approached. Just turn right there.
He's on the other side of the
Yep.
tracks.
Reverse move.
Oh, we can't believe this. Sorry.
It's alright. Still get it on camera. This is 25N, that's 20R. 25N right here. Huh. Getting updates.
45, okay for A1.
Yeah, for April.
April 5th.
I believe.
Just oh, wait,
course I'm. So yeah, that 18N's gonna be here for a while.
Yeah.